Hey YouTube, it's JW. I'm going to talk about something a little different, something more for the trail. So those little first aid kits you get from like Walmart just aren't cutting it. If they come with band-aids, yeah. But I'm going to introduce you to this right here, made by the North American Rescue Products. It's definitely a manly first aid kit. Definitely. Just the outside of it is pretty good quality. Has a couple of molly spots for, I don't know, the first thing that comes to mind is like a seatbelt cutter, which would go good with this kit. The patch you can get from the same company. They sell it separately, so it doesn't come with the exact kit, so you can put whatever you want on here. I figured it's a first aid kit, so I just put that one on there. It comes in different colors, so you can match it to the color of this. This comes in a couple of different colors too, but black is pretty universal, so I tend to lean towards those when I'm getting stuff. You open it up, and just on the left side is a cap, so a combat application tourniquet. U.S. forces, especially the Army, this is a big thing to have. I think every soldier has at least one of these on their gear. This is the newest generation, is the Generation 7. So it's improved from its earlier predecessors, but you can't go wrong with these. Other people would say soft tees, which I think are good for legs, but this will work for both if you know how to do it properly. I'll probably do a video on how to do it properly later on. Also on the left side towards the back, it's got two hyphens. They have a vent, and there's two of them, so that way you can cover, say you got a gunshot wound to the chest, you can cover and seal both ends. Although be careful the exit may be quite a bit bigger, so you'll have to improvise if that happens. On the right side, right in the front, is a combat gauze, and this is just like a roll of gauze, and you pack it in serious arterial bleeds that you can't get with these. Alright. I've seen other YouTube videos where they talk about this stuff and they're like, oh, put it on the head. Head bleeds a lot, but nobody's going to die from bleeding from their scalp. So it looks like a lot of blood, but you don't need this for that. This is for like arterial bleeds, like in the armpit, the inner thighs, where your main arteries run across from your pelvis to your leg, right on top, and the neck even. So alright, now continuing on, it does come with a pair of gloves, which is awesome, and you can buy all of these things separately from this company, so if you end up having to use it, you can replace the stuff, the contents of it. And then an emergency trauma dressing. They do have different sizes of this. Its nickname is Israeli dressing, but that's not what it actually is. It's called an emergency trauma dressing. So this can, if it's not arterial but you're having a hard time keeping it from bleeding, then this is a good one to do, because it compresses the wound. So, and then that's it out of here. And like I said, this is good quality. It's over on North American Rescue Products. So yeah, so check out their stuff. Some of it's pretty expensive, but it's good quality stuff. Whenever I hear military grade, I cringe, because really it's not the greatest, but when you talk about military medical equipment, it's pretty good. So don't skimp out on that. So this is good trail stuff in case there's a good accident on the trail. So that way you guys can do whatever. I got a can, first aid can. It's an ammo can that I keep. Maybe I should do a review on that sometime, but this is something small. Both on the Cherokees and the Wranglers, this would fit perfect either on the passenger or driver side, right between the seat and the door. There's a lot of space down in there for it, so easy reach. So get some. Anyways, hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll talk to you guys next time.